Lust is breaking you down quietly. You barely notice it, yet it's robbing your confidence, your discipline, your peace. Every time you give in, you lose a little more strength. But here's the truth: no one wants to say out loud. You can overcome lust, and the shift begins now. Lust isn't just desire, it's a trap. It gives you a moment of pleasure, then leaves you feeling empty. It fools your mind into believing you've achieved something when all you've done is drain your energy, your willpower, your ambition. Worst of all, it chains you to your impulses. How can you build a powerful life if you can't even refuse a screen? That's not strength, that's weakness. And I know it because I've walked that path too. Most people never break free from lust because they fight it the wrong way. They depend only on willpower, but willpower disappears. The truth is, you don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems, and you're failing because of a few things. Your phone is always nearby. You scroll at night with no direction, and you never question why you're doing it. You've trained your brain to chase dopamine from lust. To escape it, you must rewire it, not force it down. Here's how you take control. Cut off the triggers, block the sites, remove the accounts, limit your access, make slipping harder, replace instead of erase. Build new habits. When the urge comes, stand up, take a walk, do push-ups. Write. Don't sit there battling your thoughts. Move your body. Know your why. Are you lonely, bored, disconnected? Lust often hides deeper pain. Solve the root, not just the surface. Now, picture waking up in control. Focused, grounded, strong. No more hiding, no more shame, just clarity. When you rise above lust, your energy comes back. Your confidence grows. You stop following impulses and start directing your life. You're not weak. You're simply untrained. Begin now. Beat lust. Reclaim your strength. Because the real fight isn't outside. It's in your mind. And the good news is, you can win.